Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your mortgage pre-approval process with Rocket Mortgage, full guide step by step clearly. To update your mortgage pre-approval process with Rocket Mortgage, start by visiting their official website. Log into your existing Rocket Mortgage account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the My Loans section on the dashboard. Locate your current pre-approval application in the list of loans. Click on the application to view the details. Review the information currently submitted, such as your income and employment status. Make any necessary updates to your personal information, ensuring it reflects your current financial situation. Check if there are updates to your credit score since your last application. If your credit score has improved or if you have new debts, make sure to adjust your application accordingly. Next, update your income information, including any new job or salary changes. You'll also need to update any asset information, such as bank accounts or investments, that may affect your pre-approval. After making all necessary updates, review the application once again for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, look for the Submit button to send your updated application. Keep an eye out for email notifications from Rocket Mortgage regarding the status of your updated pre-approval. If further documentation is required, follow the instructions provided in the email to submit additional information. Once everything is submitted, allow Rocket Mortgage some time to process your updates. You will receive confirmation when your updated pre-approval is complete. Be sure to check your dashboard regularly for any changes or further requirements. Updating your mortgage pre-approval is essential to ensure you're ready for the next steps in your home buying journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.